team has seen many pioneers make use of Pi in their everyday lives. This is a unique strength of the network that showcases decentralization of token ownership and diversity of use cases. We were interested in learning more from pioneers across the globe on how they are using Pi as a currency and integrating it into their local businesses and commerce in a decentralized way. So, we recently reached out to all of you asking how we can further expand opportunities to promote real-world utility in Pi Network. As you know, Pi's goal is to make the use of Pi in everyday transactions as seamless and widely distributed as possible, whether it be online or in local communities. We received over 80,000 responses in total in just 24 hours. Today we're excited to share some video responses and ideas from our community. First, we wanted to understand the diverse ways pioneers would integrate Pi into local businesses beyond just payments. Let's hear about the innovative applications from businesses across the globe.
I am in the United States, upstate New York, and I would be interested in using Pi for my rideshare business, for Uber, Lyft, stuff like that. I think that would be great.
I'm from the Philippines, and I'm a licensed real estate salesperson, and my business is with the real estate industry. So I can actually use this Pi to integrate in my business. For example, if I have a prospect buyer that want to purchase a property, so we can integrate the Pi as a payment, and I can also use that to attract more prospect buyers from Pi community, so that we can encourage them to also use Pi.
Hello guys, my business is Mark with Consultation. I would love to integrate Pi payments into my marketing scheme. Pretty much looking into the diverse backgrounds, whether it's businesses or just people. I'm open to all.
I think the best way for Pi in most uncertain to businesses like online businesses is to verify people who come online and buy stuff on your page, and when buys on that platform on your website, it becomes more easier for people to have trust on your website, and not just the payment method, but the Pi itself as a brand. When it comes to a website, it gives a lot of trust to customers to buy from it.
Hello everyone, I have an outdoor furniture business as well as a retail. We are located in Melbourne City in Australia. I will integrate Pi into my business by offering exclusive discounts and promotions to customers who pay with Pi. Also, I will create a loyalty program that reward customers with Pi.
I own and operate a fast food joint in Nairobi where we serve burgers, tacos, pizza, and French fries. I have 2 employees and I have been in business for the last 3 years. We open every day of the week. In addition to payments, I could process my employees' salaries through the Pi network. Also, I can reward customer loyalty through the Pi network. Thank you. I am a proprietor. I own a school here in Nigeria, a secondary and primary school. I would like to integrate Pi payments into the school payment system, and the best method that can encourage me to integrate Pi payments into the school fees payments platform is if a scan to pay method is introduced into Pi network. That is, parents should be able to just come and then scan a barcode to make payments directly from their Pi wallets into the school.
Moving on, we were curious about real-world examples where Pi is already making an impact. Here's what some of you shared about its current use.
The name of business is Danny Tony. They are selling bread, t-shirts, and beverages and coffees. They are located in Cheongju City in South Korea, and they accept 100% Pi payment.
I am from India and I have a business
any suggestions?
Yes, I was just thinking that if you could have an extension to the Pi app to pull up a QR code and be able to scan it at places like gas stations and stores to make cash withdrawals with it, I think that would be very useful. Thanks.
Very simple actually. To me, I see this becoming a reality in two phases. Basically, onboard the public and you educate the merchants.
I'm from India, Kerala. We can, for example, if you make Pi Pay, we can scan and purchase everything through that app, like GPay or PhonePe or other money transfer app.
I would think maybe to introduce the Pi network to who or whatever business that it would be integrated into. That's what I think.
We pay Pi by using the wallet. And I think the direct payment like Apple Pay, Samsung Pay, like Google Pay would be one of the good ideas to directly pay the goods and services from mobile phone. And also kind of a Pi card, which is real-time connecting to the Pi wallet, showing the balance would also be a good idea. Using the Pi card would be an easy way for seniors to use, for people to use.
I want to integrate Pi in my business, and I'm based in Mumbai, India, and I want to integrate Pi as a QR system for the convenience of accepting payments.
Thank you to each and every one of you who contributed. Together we're shaping the future of Pi's use and utility globally and in local economies. Stay tuned for more collaborative initiatives, and let's continue this journey of innovation. The Pi Core team has seen many pioneers make use of Pi in their everyday lives. This is a unique strength of the network that showcases decentralization of token ownership and diversity